Go to swaymarkets.com. Select Sign Up. Enter your personal information. You will receive a registration email. Sign into your account. And a heads up, you will need to upload your identification during the registration process. Here are a few features that Sway Markets have to offer. These are the different accounts available. I recommend the ECN or the no commission account. I personally trade both. I would suggest a no commission account, but the ECN is just fine. With this broker, you are allowed a $10 minimum deposit, 1 to 500 leverage, and can trade stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Select the type of account you prefer. Going to select the non-commission account. Select your currency type and create account. Now that you have created your account, it's time to deposit money into the broker. Your deposit options are Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Skrill, and USDT TRX. After you choose your deposit method, select the wallet option. Enter the amount you would like to deposit. Confirm your deposit info. Select Continue. Copy the crypto wallet address. Go to your crypto wallet. I use Trust Wallet. Select the crypto that you wish to send and the amount. Paste the wallet address and confirm the transfer. You should see the balance available in your wallet. Select the account that you want to deposit. Enter the amount. And select Send. Confirm the transfer. Select Trade on the account that you want to trade on. And now you're ready to place your first trade on Sway Markets. Good luck on your journey. Keep learning, manage your risk, stay consistent, and be disciplined. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in more videos like this, please like and subscribe for more. See you on the next video.